morning, and how are you this morning? I have to say I am recording this morning, ready for it to go live in about 2 hours. It is the most dismal day here today, just saying. Anyway, slightly different video from me for a Saturday morning. I know I normally do a simple stamping Saturday, but today I'm going to show you the handmade cards that I received for my birthday. So let me flip the camera down and have a look. Let's put that light on as well. Might turn that one down a bit. Right, so this one came from my lovely team member who lives in Germany. I have to say, she sent me the most amazing note along with it, which was lovely. She always makes the most amazing cards. Now this is a popular paper. It's no longer with us, but you'll see it's popular. This is from, bear with me, I can't remember all of them. This is from, again, one of my team members. She's actually my level 2, but a really lovely card from her. That's Susanna, and this is the online exclusive. It was one of the very early online exclusive papers. Really simple, clean project. Love it. And as I say, a popular choice of paper. This one is from another of my team, Pam. The detail is phenomenal. She's amalgamated it with a number of other sets. So we've got stamping from other sets. We've got this beautiful bicycle. These pebbles, do you remember we had those pebbles? It's just such a beautiful card. Now this one is probably the one that came furthest. This one came all the way from Australia, from my lovely friend Leslie. She watches every week my my YouTube live. Bless her, she's having all sorts of health issues. But yeah, it was actually the first card to arrive, of course. This I know is from the lovely Tracy. Again, she's one of my team members, and although she said sorry it's not stamping up, there are elements that are stamping up. So, but she said I know it's not SU, but I couldn't resist. Sunflowers obviously are my big thing, so yes. And have you been to my website recently? If you haven't been to my website, click the link below, which will take you to the post for this video, and you will see my new format for my website. That's assuming I've managed to work out how to use it by the time I've done this. There's another beautiful card. This is from Laura. She's been a team member before. She joined again during the 35 or 35. Couldn't resist that amazing deal. What a beautiful card though. So we've got an embossed frame, we've got punched elements, we've got die cut elements. Really, really pretty. And she sent me a cup of coffee as well. This is from Jill, another member of the team. Again, beautiful paper, beautiful card. Just really lovely. There is nothing to not like about that. This is from another of my team, Laurie, who is doing amazingly well. She's based near Norwich. She's running a business. She's got a team member. She's only been with me. She joined during Celebration early this year, doing phenomenally well. So if you're in the Norwich area, look up Laurie Othen, O-T-H-E-N, and yeah, really amazing craft. I mean, look at all this detail, just because this is all stamps. Just saying, this is all stamps. Brilliant. That paper again, this is from Wendy. I'm trying to think which Wendy, because I have a number of Wendy. I think this is Wendy, who used to be on my team. But yeah, really lovely card again. That paper, why did we not keep that paper? This is a mix of the Earthen Elegance and the Winter Owls, and is from another of my team. It's got a fold back, so it sits like that. But yeah, she again doing really well. She very quietly runs classes, and very occasionally she'll drop into a conversation that she's running classes that I wasn't aware of. But she's running classes, bless her. So yeah, really, really proud of her. Got a team member during the recent 35 or 35. Beautiful, beautiful card. And finally, this is my most local team member. She lives about 5 miles from me. She does handmade commissions, handmade card commissions, and of course she's done it in sunflowers, and it's just beautiful. So those are all the cards that I received that are handmade. I got other cards as well, but these are the ones that are handmade. So I just thought I would share those with you. I think it's really lovely to see other people's cards, and the number of ideas I've got just from looking at these cards is amazing. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Do pop over to and have a look at my new website. I am so pleased with it. My dear friend Catherine Carroll, who actually now lives in the States, has done it all for me. I wanted a refresh. It's still sunflowers, but I wanted a refresh so it was more modern, cleaner, and I'm so pleased with it. So do go and have a look. As I say, the link will be below in the description bar. Even if I haven't managed to sort the post out, you can get to my website there and you can have a look at the new layout and the new imagery, and I'm just so happy. Anyway, have a fantastic rest of your weekend. For me, it's going to be spent mostly indoors because it's a horrible, horrible day. I am going to be unpicking. No, I have unpicked. I'm going to be re-knitting my tank top that this will be the 5th attempt, I think. For some reason I can't count, and I only managed to count when I've got to the point where I've got to decrease, and then I go, hang on, I've got too many stitches. So I'm going to be counting the stitches a lot. Anyway, have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Look after yourselves. I hope it's not too wet where you are. We've got all sorts of flooding in the UK. So do take care, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now.